Hi, based on user requests, today we're doing a video to demonstrate Mac's keyboard custom-made O-rings. We'll be installing them on the Cherry MX rest switches on the Corsair Vengeance K70. For those who are unfamiliar with O-rings, they are rubber sound dampeners you place underneath your keycap stem to reduce the noise from bottoming down your keys. Here we have 4 pre-installed keycaps with O-rings. So for those who feel that typing on their keyboard is too loud, you can install these O-rings to lower the noise. They are also backlit compatible, meaning that for those who have backlit mechanical keyboards, the LED lights will still pass through without the O-rings blocking it, as we see here. Another advantage is that the O-rings reduce the key travel distance by 0.4 millimeters when bottoming down the keys, so you get a faster typing speed. The added shock absorption can also help with finger fatigue during long typing or gaming sessions. To see our sound and typing comparison test on the Cherry MX rest switches with and without O-rings, click the link below. If you like our channel, feel free to thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you.